A group item is not really an item at all, even though it is defined in inventory in the same manner as other items. Rather, a group item merely provides an efficient method to list all the component items on a document by entering a single item identifier, optionally at a discounted price. Quantities and costs are not tracked for the group item. They are tracked for the individual component items included in the group. The component items included in a group remain in inventory individually and can be sold individually. So these three items on the screen can also be sold individually, whereas with an assembled item, these three would not be able to be sold individually, at least with one of the quantities. When a group is listed on a sales document, the price of each component item is proportionally adjusted so that the total equals the specified group price. The group price cannot be edited on the document, but the component item prices can be edited if desired. Unlike an assembly, sales taxes are computed on each component item individually based on the sales tax code assigned to each. Therefore, taxable and non-taxable items can be mixed in a group. Only headquarters can define group items, but all stores can list group items on documents. To look at the preference on how the group item will show on your receipt, when printing group item on receipt or order, print item prices only, print the group price only, or you can choose to print the group and item prices. This is where you would change your preference and then save. That concludes the group items overview. Watch our next video on how to add a group item to your item list.
Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and click on the bell to be notified when I make another video about point of sale. Thank you, everybody.